flash forward to Game 7. You guys are getting ready to clinch. You already did it out here. The rain starts to fall. How'd you come up with the pose? The pose, we'll remember that forever.
Yeah, well,
there it is.
I truly believe that was a sign from up there. I mean, like you guys know, I spent 4 years playing in Oakland, and I never saw that rain like that. So I figured we're 1 hour straight away from going to the World Series, and all of a sudden it started pouring. Like, you know, literally, I truly believe that this is a sign from up there. I was just pretty much saying, thank you very much.
And we all thank you. You guys, I'll never forget the way you guys played in that championship series.
That should end it. And who else? Scudero. And the Giants have won the pennant. 9-0 the final in Game 7.
And the fans here in San Francisco finally have a chance to celebrate with their Giants.